In this video, I'll demonstrate how to hide your online status on WhatsApp, providing you with that extra layer of privacy. But before we dive into this guide, I invite you to hit the like button if you're excited to learn this feature, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create better content for you. Now, let's get right into it. You might want to maintain your privacy on WhatsApp and prevent others from seeing when you're online or your last online activity. I'll show you the settings you can change to achieve this. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings in the navigation bar on the right-hand side. In your privacy settings, locate the section for Last Seen and Online. Choose Who Can See My Last Seen. Set it to Nobody. Adjust the setting for Who Can See When I'm Online. Set it to Nobody as well. I recommend turning off read receipts to ensure your privacy. With this feature off, WhatsApp will show Delivered instead of Read when you open a message, which helps in concealing your online activity. And that's it. These settings will help you hide your online status on WhatsApp effectively. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and remember you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.